Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do bath bombs. So first we need our ingredients. We have on the table baking soda, citric acid, and cornstarch. And this is something that is called glycerine. And some 20 milliliter of water, lavender, and then a bowl and some scissors to cut this. And then we need this powder stuff, and we need a stuff that makes like coconuts. So first we're gonna take our, here we go. Poof. Okay. Not gonna pour all of it in. Maybe a little bit more. That's about the right consistency. Or maybe all of it. Yeah, we should pour all of it. And then this, we're gonna pour all of it. Citric acid, we're gonna pour our citric acid in. I'm gonna pour it down. I'm gonna add all of it. Well, it's starting to get very, very much. Then our corn starch. Whoa, it's very poofy. I'm glad I did it under the bowl. Now this is very much. Look how cloudy the bag is. Now we're gonna kind of mix it before we add this in, just so it can be mixed. Now we're gonna add our glycerine. Let me just quickly mix it a bit. There we go. Oh, this is messy. Go and add a little bit more. There we go. We're gonna add halfway, but this is just for now. Now we're gonna add more. Okay. See? Okay, that's enough. That's messy. Gonna add, it's not clumpy enough yet. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Now we're gonna add water. Mix, gotta mix. It's very bubbly, guys. I can't tell you how bubbly this is. Yo, this is bubbly. Keep on mixing. Let's just mix it over so it can be like that. This is like, it was so bubbly, guys. Let's just keep on mixing. Oopsies. Let's just feel. I think it's about the right consistency. Now we're gonna add our lavender. It smells very good, lavender. Let me just take this off. But this, guys, is very experimental. And if you work with a scissors, always eat it grown up. Add our good smell stuff. It's called lavender. But this thing here I want to call a spatch flat because it's so flat and it looks like a spatula. Just see. I want this to have very strong smell. Let's just quickly mix it in so we can see if it has a strong smell or not. Let's mix it in with our hands. See if we can mix it in with our hands. I think it would be better. It feels like slime. This smell. This smells good, but it's not yet smells enough. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. This smell? This smells not so good. I want to smell more. I want to put more in. I want this really, 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 really strong. Now mixing again. The more I add, the more softer it is. It's like a slime. It's so sticky, like really sticky. But keep on mixing, keep on mixing, keep on mixing. This is so messy, guys. You don't know how messy this is. You want to see? It looks like snow. I think it's about the right consistency. Let me just get all of the stuff off my hands. I'm gonna take this bowl. Let's just take our coloring out. It's okay if it gets messy because this is really, 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 really messy. Really messy. I'm not kidding, guys. This is like so messy. So, I need this. Take a nice consistency. Let's take it. Let's just take. I think this is so messy. I don't know what to do. It's so messy. Look at this whole copy thingy. Now, let's take some more. Add it in this one. Get good consistency. Like, this is like slime. You don't know how messy this is, guys. Let's just dunk that in there. Let's dunk this in here. Okay, that's about right. I'll play with the last bit. It's so good. Take the last bit. Okay. It's like ice cream too. A bit of everything in. Gonna squeeze it to try and get it out. This is, I'm not joking, this is very messy. I'm trying to get all of it out, but it's so messy. Like, yo, look how messy this is. I think we're gonna need, this is about the right consistency. This is very fun to play with, but now, let me just wipe my hands off with this cloth. Yeah. It's kind of better, but I don't think the cloth will take all of it off, but it's kind of better. Let's see if we... Okay, now, let's just take this. Let's see how to open this up. I'm just gonna cut it open because basically I don't get the point of it. And the bowl it was. That's enough. Okay, now let's just stir it so it all can be in there. It's a blue color. It's actually really light blue. It's light blue. Gonna get it mixed. Look, guys, I'm gonna take a scoop of it. Just so you know, clean up after this. It's very, very, very messy. Let's just get some of this off. Okay, there we go. Gonna add this in. Let's cut it open. The other one, because let's just get some of it in here, just not all of it. That I think is about enough. Comment down below if you have to do this again, but just bigger. So we've got this purplish color. Let me take a scoop. Can't get this one open by the thing. I have to also cut this. Has to be cut. By the way, this is powder pigment. If you don't have this at home, you can just use normal pigment. But I think powder pigment is very, very, very better because I just think so. Let's pour it in. I think I'm gonna put it when I'm done mixing. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. But there's my spoon. Mix, 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 mix. So I'll see you in the morning when this is done because it has to have very, very long time to sit. So I'll see you in the morning, but this is not done yet. So there's another color. Here we're gonna have our orangey color. Let's cut it open. There we go. Let's clean our spoon and our bowl. Well, maybe our finger, because it's so messy. Let's see if it's dropping. Okay, there we go. Let's get a nice orangey color. Get the right consistency. I think that's about right. Now let's just take my finger and squeeze all the extra off. But this is very messy. I'm not like even joking. It's very messy. Let's just wipe my hands off again. Now let's do what we have to do. Let's just clean out this one before what we have to do. Get all of this out here. Wow, look at this. And just wipe it a little bit off here. And I mean, even the cloth is messy, and we don't even use cloth that much. This is just crazy. It's so messy. Let's take. Yo, even the spoon is messy. But you need a grown up, I think, for this experiment because it's very messy, guys. Number one, and. Let's add our purple first today. I mean now. I'm gonna just like scoop it in the corner so I can have like this perfect consistency. Yeah, look at this one on the floor. Like it's just exploding. So I have to, I think, hurry up if it's exploding. So let's just quickly hurry up. Let's just throw some more in. Just clean it up. Some of this. Clean it up. I mean, I think I know how this is gonna look when it comes out, but I'm not gonna show you because I already saw on the instructions. So let's just put some more in. Yo, I think we have to hurry up now. Okay, let's just put it like this. It's greenish. Now, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we've got it. After all this messiness, we've got it. We've got it, guys. Now we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, this is part 2 of the video. This is the moment you all have been waiting for. Here's our bathbomb. We made another one last night. And because the other one was just a test, and we also wanted just to show you how. We have like new colors. Like we have new colors, we have other bathbomb too. So we have pink, blue, pink. And we have our water in our big tub. And I'm so excited. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. And let's just quickly smell because we put those good smell stuff in. Ew, this smells good. Okay, let's put it in. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. 3, 2, 1. Look at that dark pink color. 3, 2, 1. Look at that dark pink color. Feel. Well, it feels kind of powdery on the bottom. They look pretty good. Let's mix this. Now it's a pink glass. I'm gonna put my feet in it. This feels good. This feels fun. I think it was worth it. And I think this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked the experiment. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!